Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about, is it possible to customize the appearance and branding of a virtual data room? So the answer is yes. It is often possible to customize the appearance and branding of a virtual data room to align with a company's brand identity and create a consistent user experience. VDR providers typically offer options for customization that allow organizations to tailor the look and feel of the data room. Here are some common customization options. Number 1. Logo and branding. VTRs often allow users to replace the default logo with their own company logo. This helps reinforce brand identity and creates a familiar and professional look for user accessing data. Number 2. Color scheme and theme. VDRs may offer the ability to customize the color scheme and theme of the interface. This allows organizations to match the VDR's appearance to their company branding guidelines and ensuring a consistent visual experience for users. Number 3. Customized login page. Some VDR providers offer the option to create a customized login page that reflects the organization branding. This can include adding the company logo, background image, and color scheme to create a brand login experience for users. Number 4. User interface eliminates. Certain VTR allows customization of user interface elements such as buttons, icons, and fonts. This level of customization enables organizations to align the VTR interface with their brand visual style and enhance their overall user experience. Number 5. Email notification and message. VDRs often provide the ability to customize email notification and message sent to users. This includes branding elements like the company logo, email signature, and personalized message to maintain a consistent brand image throughout user communication. It is important to note that the extent of customization option can vary among different VTR providers. Some may offer more extensive customization capabilities, while others may have more limited options. It is recommended to explore the customization option provided by the specific VTR vendor to determine if they meet our organization branding requirements. So that's it for today guys. Hope you are enjoying it.